Hey, Ethan.
Yes.
Let's roll.
My blender just broke.
I'm sorry. What do I hold this? Can you do that? Is this gonna shoot all over me?
I hope not. It's like broken in there.
Is it always gonna be stuck like this?
I guess so.
Here, hold the bottom.
Oh shit. There we go.
All right. Woo! All right,
off.
we gotta roll. Come on.
Okay, where are we going?
No questions. We gotta go. All right. So technically, I'm supposed to be making money instead of spending money, but I found something good, so we're gonna go pick it up and then bring it back to the shop. It's consistent with the theme.
Okay. Tail ice up there
There's cocktail. Why is there cocktail ice up there?
in the freezer.
Oh, okay. All right, so we got the first sample of the Biggie smoothies, or the 100 sample, I guess. And so what's in there? Peanut butter.
It's got peanut butter, strawberries, bananas, milk, whey protein, collagen, and super greens.
All right, and we're getting ready to pull up on an estate sale, and we're about to make it an exciting day.
Someone tried to snag it right after you left.
Man, must be a winner. Cool, thank you very
It
much.
used to be attached, but
Used to be attached.
when she moved from Oklahoma here,
There you
can you
go.
grab that, Mom? I'm sorry.
Cool, thank you.
Go.
So they go back on there.
They're supposed to. But
hold
they
on.
were screwed. I don't think they actually came with that skull, but they were screwed in. It might be a
So there?
makeshift thing. Because you can see how the screws here.
Gotcha.
But I mean, I think they finagled it to get them on there because I don't think those actually go on that particular skull.
Cool. We have like
We'll
3 of
finagle.
these now. So
Yeah.
now this will be for
You'll
the
make
women's
it work.
bathrooms, and the other will
Yeah.
be the men's.
All right, you can
Thank
take
you.
the flowers off if you like.
Cool. Thank you guys very much. So Tucker, the other ones I bought at the auction were like I think they're $100 a piece. We got these for $10. Boom.
That's a win.
That is a win, but unfortunately that takes us like $10 off of our total. We were at $645. Now we're back to $655, and I gotta sell some shit. All right, so here we are back at the shop. We're gonna check out our pickup here. So got to reattach the horns on here, but it is a pretty cool cow skull. Need to get all these flowers off there, but Ethan noticed that, boom, this thing was $110 at some point. We picked it up for $10. So the question is, leave me a thing in the comments. Should I sell it to make money for LS Fest, or is it a keeper? Let me know.